Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech On. Friends, today I'm going to show that how to block internet access for specific apps on Android or Samsung phone. Friends, to block internet access for specific apps on Android or Samsung phones, first you have to go on settings of your phone, my friends. Then you have to go on data uses, or you have to go on connections. If you find data uses directly here, you have to tap on over there. Otherwise, you have to go on connections. Then my friends, you have to tap on data uses. Then you'll find here allowed networks for apps. Just tap on here. Here you'll find all the apps of your phone. Now, if you want to block internet access of any apps, you have to tap on over there like this. I want to turn off access internet for Facebook. Just I'll tap on here. And I'll select Wi-Fi only. See, my mobile data is turned on, right? Now, if I go on Facebook, I can't access. Same like this. If you want to block internet for YouTube, you have to go on connections. Then you have to go on data uses. Tap on allowed networks. Then you have to go all the way because YouTube is at the bottom. Then you have to go on YouTube. Just tap on here. After that, select Wi-Fi only. Now if I go on YouTube, I can't open. See, it will not play here. See my friends. So like this, if you want, you can turn off or you can block internet access any specific apps on your Android phone or Samsung phone. Friends, if you have any questions or if you can't do the settings on Android phone or Samsung phone, you can comment in comment box. I'll try to give answers as soon as possible. Friends, if this video helpful to please like, share, comment, and especially subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get next video notifications. Thank you for watching. Hope so next time I'll come with another exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.